Welcome back to Tap Tech. This is the place where we break down the latest tech in a way that's clear and easy to understand. Today, we're talking about Garmin's brand new Fenix 8 Pro. It just launched this September, and Garmin is calling it their most advanced multisport smartwatch yet. But is it really worth the upgrade? Let's find out. The first thing you'll notice is the build. The Fenix 8 Pro looks tough, just like past Fenix watches, but this one feels even more solid. It comes with a titanium bezel and a sapphire crystal lens, so scratches won't be much of a worry. It is heavier than the standard Fenix 8, though. Garmin had to make it bulkier to fit in new antennas for LTE and satellite features. Now let's talk about the display. Garmin has given buyers a few choices. The AMOLED versions come in 47 and 51mm sizes. These are brighter than before, with louder speakers too. But the real head-turner is the new micro-LED version. This one is only available in 51mm, and it's Garmin's first micro-LED screen ever. It hits an insane 4,500 nits of brightness. That means even under direct sunlight, you'll see your stats crystal clear. It's the brightest display Garmin has ever made, but it also comes with some trade-offs. Connectivity is where the Fenix 8 Pro really sets itself apart. For the first time, you can get LTE built right into the watch. It also adds satellite messaging through Garmin's InReach system. That means you can send messages, share your location, or even trigger an SOS if you're off the grid, all without carrying your phone. But keep in mind, these services need a subscription, and they don't work like regular text or calls. Messaging runs through Garmin's system, and voice is limited to short snippets. Battery life depends on which version you choose. The 51mm AMOLED Pro can last about 27 days in smartwatch mode, and around 15 days if you keep always on display. The micro-LED model, though, drops down to about 10 days, and just 4 days with always on. That's a big drop, and it's something to think about if you're used to Garmin's legendary battery life. Real-world use shows the micro-LED version burns through power much faster. As for features, the Fenix 8 Pro carries over everything you'd expect from Garmin's high-end line. You get advanced training tools like Endurance Score and Hill Score, daily readiness reports, ECG, onboard maps, dive support, and more. Nothing here is brand new on the software side. The upgrades are all about connection and display technology. So, what about price? The AMOLED Pro models run between $1,199 and $1,299. The micro-LED version jumps way up to $1,999. That makes it the most expensive Fenix watch ever. Some will see it as worth it for the safety of satellite messaging and the insane brightness of micro-LED. Others will feel the battery cuts and high cost don't make sense compared to the regular Fenix 8. And that's where the community seems divided. Some users love the idea of staying connected without a phone, especially for long adventures. Others think the battery drop and high price are too much. The AMOLED Pro strikes a better balance, but the micro-LED is more about showing off what Garmin can do rather than being practical for everyone. So here's the Tap Tech verdict. The Garmin Fenix 8 Pro is the most connected Garmin ever made. The AMOLED versions bring solid upgrades with LTE and satellite features while keeping decent endurance. The micro-LED version is stunning to look at, but it costs a lot and sacrifices battery. If you're an adventurer who spends days off the grid, it could be a game changer. But for most people, the standard Fenix 8 might still be the smarter buy. Thanks for watching Tap Tech. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives on the latest gear, and drop a comment below. Would you spend nearly $2,000 for the micro-LED model, or stick with AMOLED? Until next time, stay tech savvy and adventure ready.